So the first part of the thing, we want to note that what each value is. So I just wrote that ahead of time because it takes a minute to write out. And now that we know what those are, we need to build our equation. And so it should look like this. 2x plus 5y plus 6z. And then that's 19 is the total. And then our system, so we've got y times 2z because that's 2 times the cost of water. And then our third one is x equals y plus 2. And then after that, we want to do some substitutions. So we want to put y equals 2z into this one first. So we want it to end up looking kind of like x equals 2z plus 2. And then now we need to take 2z and put it into this one. So then we have, we need to take both of those and put them all together. So now we end up having 2x plus 5y plus 6z equals 19. And so to find the value of z, it's going to be a lot of writing, but we're going to just break it down to 2x plus 5y plus 6z equals 19. I always have to write it out again. 2, and then we're going to parentheses 2z plus 2, plugging those in, plus 5 times 2z plus 6z equals 19, and then group all that together. 4z plus 4 plus 10z plus 6z equals 19. And then that's going to break back down into 20z equals 19 minus 4. So then we want to do 20z equals 15. Oh, we don't want the z there, sorry. And so then that breaks down and gives us a nice little, so that is our z right there. And then we want to go down our next step. I might have to get more paper. Our next step is going to be basically doing some more substitutions. So we put the value of z in for y equals 2 times z. So we want to do y equals 2z, and that's going to lead us to y equals 2. We're going to plug this in. And that should give us 1.5. And so then that gives us the cost of y. And then we want to go down again and then do our last equation. So we're going to plug we are going to plug x equals y plus 2. We're going to plug in the value for y. So we've got x equals y plus 2. And then that should break down to 1.5 plus 2 because we're plugging it in. And that gives us $3.50 for our x value. So x value, so we go up here, we're going to go back up here. Our cost of x is $3.50. Our cost of z and our cost of y is $1.50. And our cost of z is 75 cents. Okay. And then I want to go through your page for this next part. Okay, find where I did it. Okay. So Phil needs to see if he has enough money. So we're first going to put x, y, z. Break this one down a little faster. And so he needs 1 of these, 3 of those, and 10 of these. And then we go down through. So we basically just plug it in. And he needs 1 plus 1.5 times 3 plus 0.7510 equals 14, and because he only has $14. So we need to see if this equals 14 to see if he has enough money. So going down again, giving myself enough space to look and think. So we've got what this ended up equaling out to. And calculating that, that's 15.5. So no, he does not have enough money. And since he needs 14, sorry, I'm having a lot of brain stalls today. He needs $1.50 more.